contains three parts. The drain contains three parts. The one is the top sieve, and then there's this cup here, and then there's a third portion here which has slots in it, which you can take it out with a screwdriver, but that's mostly not necessary right now. For cleaning it, normally all the hair gets stuck out here. This of course is slightly cleaner, but if you notice, this is not really hair, but it's just some fiber. Now hair going in the wastewater system is not very good, so if you do get hair, you can easily make out the hair because it's much more blacker in color and be longer strands. So that hair you need to just put it in a tissue paper and put it in your waste basket or and throw it into the sanitary bin. Hair actually doesn't decompose so easily. It takes a very long time to decompose, and it also blocks the drainages. If it does go into the pipeline and things, eventually it would block the drainage. But this sort of fiber, you can generally just blocks this portion, and then the water doesn't drain out so well. So you just take it out and chuck it in the toilet.